This is the PLAUD Notepin AI, and it's my second brain. By the way, big thanks to PLAUD for sending this over, and as always, this video is my 100% honest opinion. The PLAUD Notepin is a tiny, wearable voice recorder powered by AI. You can clip it to your shirt, hoodie, or bag, press and hold the button, and it starts recording. When you're done, it sends the audio to the PLAUD app on your phone, which gives you a full transcript and even an AI-generated summary or to-do list from whatever you said. It's meant to capture your ideas, conversations, lectures, or meetings without having your phone out or having to type anything. It's like voice memos on your phone, but way faster, more organized, and you don't have to dig in your pocket or look weird talking to your phone in public. It's also super discreet. You can wear it like a pin on your clothes, it barely weighs anything, and it doesn't scream tech reviewer or undercover spy. The whole idea is that you press a button, talk naturally, and move on with your day. Let's be real, this isn't something you buy just to look cool. It's something you use when your brain is thinking faster than your fingers can type. Imagine you're walking somewhere and an idea pops into your head. Instead of pulling out your phone, unlocking it, opening notes, and forgetting the idea halfway through, boom, just press the pin, say it out loud, and it saves it for later. Or let's say you're in class or at church listening to a lesson. You don't want to look rude pulling out your phone or laptop and start typing, but you also don't want to forget everything that was said. The Notepin can sit on your shirt, quietly record everything, and then give you a clean summary of the key points. It's also great for random thoughts, small tasks you don't want to forget, journaling your day, planning your schedule out loud, or even recording meetings or important phone calls. When I opened the box, I was honestly impressed with how simple but premium everything looked. Inside, you get the Notepin itself, a magnetic pin attachment, a regular clip, and the little charging dock with a USB-C cable. The actual device is tiny, like smaller than I expected. It only weighs around 0.6 ounces, which is really light for a recorder. And the first time I used it, I could tell it was premium. Smooth, simple, and no extra buttons or ports. Just one button, a built-in mic, and a tiny LED light. The design is super minimal and clean. The front has a matte finish, and the whole pin is about the size of my pinky. It's smooth with rounded edges, and nothing sticks out or feels sharp. The mic is placed near the bottom, and there's also a small LED light that tells you when it's recording, pairing, or charging. And the pin also gives off small vibrations, so you get feedback without looking at it. There are two main ways you can wear it. The magnetic pin, which goes through your shirt or hoodie, or the regular clip if you want to attach it to a pocket or backpack strap. Both feel strong and don't feel like they're gonna fall off at all. Although I will say the first day I had the pin, I had it clipped onto my pocket, which was a bad idea. I was carrying something, so it got knocked off and fell, so try to clip it somewhere out of the way. It charges using a small dock that the Notepin snaps into magnetically. The battery capacity is around 270 milliamp hours, but since it's only recording audio, it can record up to 20 hours straight. That means you don't have to charge it every night. Just drop it in the dock once in a while and you're good. Overall, the build quality feels premium, the size makes it super convenient to carry, and the simplicity of the one-button design makes it something you'll actually use, not just something you'll buy and forget about. Even though the Notepin is insanely small, it's surprisingly powerful. The microphone system is built to focus on voices while reducing background noise, and it captures some decent quality audio so the AI can transcribe everything clearly later. It also has around 64 gigabytes of built-in storage, so you will not run out of space unless you're recording your whole life. This entire device wouldn't be that useful without the app or the website, which is what I use. As soon as you connect it through Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, it starts transferring your recordings. The transfer speed is actually pretty fast. Short notes transfer in seconds, and longer lectures transfer in a couple minutes, but you don't have to sit there and wait. Once the audio is in the app, you can tap on it and boom, full transcription. The AI cleans your speech and turns it into readable text. But it doesn't just stop at transcription. You can tell the app to summarize your recording, turn it into bullet point notes, generate a to-do list, or even create action items. The way I use it is super simple. I clip it onto my shirt or drop it into my pocket in the morning, and anytime I think of an idea for a video, I just hold the button and start talking. No apps, no unlocking my phone, and no typing. Let's say I want to remind my viewers to subscribe. All I have to do is press record and say remind my viewers to subscribe because it's free and it helps me out. If I remember something I need to do later, like email a sponsor, edit a video, or do some homework, I'll just say it into the mic and it will remember it for me. During lessons, sermons, or times when I don't want to have my phone out, I just hit record and forget about it. Later, I open the app and get a clean summary or transcript with all the important points. Sometimes I even use it just to speak out loud when I'm thinking of something I want AI to help me do later. Instead of typing prompts into ChatGPT, I just talk out the idea and later copy and paste the cleaned up transcription straight into AI. The first test will be me talking into the PLAUD Notepin with a simulated loud environment to see how well it picks up clean audio. Okay, so right now I'm reading off my script to test how well the PLAUD Notepin's mic will pick my voice up and get rid of unnecessary background noise, like the school cafeteria noise in the background. The first time you hear this audio will be from my phone mic, but the second time will be the audio from the PLAUD Notepin. Okay, so right now I'm reading off my script to test how well the PLAUD Notepin's mic will pick my voice up and get rid of unnecessary background noise, like the school cafeteria noise in the background. The first time you hear this audio will be from my phone mic, but the second time will be the audio from the PLAUD Notepin. For the second test, I recorded a sermon in a youth group, and I had AI summarize it, so let's see how well it actually works. Alright, so we're in a youth group lecture right now, and this is the actual summary that it gave me right here. I was pretty surprised on all the stuff that it actually picked up and organized. There's a lot of takeaways here. You got the highlights, but the main cool thing that you can organize this in different ways. So I can go to teaching note as well, and it shows some main teaching points and teaching notes if you are a teacher and you want to talk out your lesson, which is pretty cool. And it also has a mind map, which is pretty cool. And also meeting highlights. I also really like this, especially if you're in a discussion type thing. It's really good. And of course it has all these transcriptions with different things as well. So honestly, this gets 10 out of 10 for literally just summarizing. It did so well. For the third test, I'm going to walk outside, talk out an idea for a future video, and see how well the AI puts it together. Alright, so we're back in the PLAUD software, and as you can see, I have my transcript right here on my PC. It's 2 minutes long, so let's go ahead and do the AI generation summary to see what it comes up with and how long it takes. Alright, so it's only been about a minute, and as you can see, it shows the date, and it shows exactly the name, planning day in the life video, 15-year-old content creator, objective, video structure, so it does have a full outline, which is pretty cool. It's pretty much everything I talked about, which was actually really, really nice. It summarizes better than I would myself, bro. This is actually insane. Title and so it kept my title and thumbnail concepts, which I definitely pointed out. I didn't even ask for shots that much, not gonna lie. I didn't even ask for any shots. It just gave me examples, which is really, really awesome, bro. This is actually insane. A checklist of things I might have to do. And then here's the mind map. Holy schmoly, bro. These mind maps are actually insane. Look at this. This is why, if you do anything like content creation or anything, this is actually so useful. So yeah, definitely also a 10 out of 10 on the summarization for ideas. This worked way better than most people would expect from this. So after using this thing for a while, here's what I actually think. If you're someone who gets random ideas all day, or you're a student, a creator, or a person who attends meetings or classes, yeah, this is actually useful. The price usually sits around $160, which isn't cheap, but it's also not insanely expensive for something this unique. If you're someone who forgets everything unless you write it down, this might actually change how you work. So that's the PLAUD Notepin AI, a tiny recorder that might actually be your brain's new best friend. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Jesus loves you, and I'll see you in the next one.